I've spoken about designing applications like Canva, Microsoft Designer, and Adobe Express. But let's take a look at this. Hi there, this animation that you're looking at right now was simply created using just my voice. Let me show you how quickly. Hop onto Adobe Express and then look for Animate from Audio from your Quick Actions tab below. Once you open this, you'll find a whole lot of characters to choose from to animate. Select your character and also make changes to the background if you'd like to, or use a custom color or even transports. Once you have decided on this, you can also change the size or the format of the video that you'd like to create and enhance speed if you would like to for better audio quality, and start recording. It is as simple as that, and I hope you find this useful. It was just mind-blowing, the potential of this beta application is so much. Each of the 3 applications in terms of design are putting out really great features, and this is a great time for us as users to take full advantage of this. I hope you found this useful. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next one.